Hi everyone, welcome to Approval module in Odoo ERP system session. You will learn how to make an approval in the system today. Let's start with logging into the system and accessing to Approval module. First, go to this website, fill in your email and password. Then click Login. After you log in, click this panel in front of Discuss. Select Approvals module. After you click Approval module, the system will direct you to the Approval list page. The system will set the default filter of Approval list by current, which means that it will show you only the approvals that are waiting for decision making, and group the approval list by doc name and step sequence, respectively. Click the document that you want to make a decision, for example, this PR document. After clicking the document, you will see the approval line, which contains the following components. Reference is approval reference number, which runs automatically by the system. Approvers is transaction approvers. Level is the specified type and level of approval, which is set differently by document type. Sequence is the approval sequence of this transaction. For example, number 1 here means that you are the first approval of this transaction. Record shows the document name or document reference number. Submitted by shows the transaction requester. Date submitted shows date and time of transaction submission. Status shows the transaction status. Click the approval line. After you click the approval line, you will see this approval page. Please do not click approve or reject yet, because you need to look at the details of requested document first. Please click document number or name in record field here. As a reviewer, you need to look at the document details to ensure that the requester fill in information completely and correctly. For example, PR is requested with complete details such as product specification, unit price, associated project code, or reimbursement is submitted correctly in details and follow the company's reimbursement policy. You can see the details of requested document after clicking document number or name in record field. After clicking the document number or name, you will see the details of the document. For example, PR details, which contains the information such as product or service that the requester would like to purchase, quantity, unit price, purchase reason, exchange rate, and PR total amount. PR status. Shutter position, which contains the attachment and history log. Approvals, which contains the approval sequences. To see the approval history, click Approval. After clicking Approvals, you will see the sequence of approvals of this document, including the approval decision result of every authorizer. For example, this PR amount is more than 50,000 Thai baht, so it requires 3 approvers. You will see that the first approver, notice it from sequence number 1, which is you in this video, is going to make a decision on this PR. And you will see the second and third approver, notice it's from sequence number 2 and 3, will make the approval decision after you approve this document. Going back to the PR details, click Paperclip to see the attachment. After clicking the paperclip, you will see the attachment files that the requester added here. You can click to preview the document or download it. Let's see another example of reimbursement. Click the reimbursement transaction that you want to make a decision. After clicking the document name, you will see the details of this document. Reimbursement details, which contain the information that the requester would like to claim back, quantity, unit price, and reimbursement total amount. You can click Reimbursement line to see the details of the requested reimbursement, for example, bill reference, amount, and reimbursement reason. Reimbursement status. Shutter position, which contains the attachment and history log. Approvals, which contain the approval sequences. To see the approval history, click Approvals. After clicking Approvals, you will see the sequence of approval of this document. including the approval decision result of every authorizer. For example, this reimbursement requires 2 approvals. You will see that in this case, the first approver visit you rejected reimbursement on 23 February 2020, which caused the next approval to be rejected automatically. Once the document is edited and resubmitted, it requires the approval from every approver. You will see that you are the first approver of this round of approval. Notice it's from sequence number 1 that is going to make a decision on this reimbursement. Lastly, you will see that the last approver, which is approver 2, will make a decision after you approve the document. Going back to the reimbursement details, click Paperclip to see the attachment. After clicking the paperclip, you will see the attachment files that the requester added here. You can click to preview the document or download it. Let's continue how to make an approval decision. Click Approval Reference Number to go back to the approval page. Click Approve or Reject button. Click Approve. Fill in comment if you want. Then click Make Decision. After approved, the status of approval will be approved. System will record decided date and decision maker automatically. In case you would like to reject the transaction, click Approval Reference Number to go back to the approval page. Click Approve or Reject button. Click Reject. Fill in rejection comment. Then click Make Decision. After rejected, the status of approval will be rejected. System will record decided date and decision maker automatically. Another way to access to the approval transaction is through the email. If you set your profile to handle notification by email, you will receive the email with the subject saying that the document is ready to make decision. Click Go to Request Document. After clicking Go to Request Document, the system will direct you to the approval page. Coming to the final section of this video, we have other information that should benefit you to approve in Odoo ERP system. The default setting of filters is Current, which means the approval that is waiting for the approval decision making. The default setting of Group By is Doc Name Step Sequence, which means the approval lists are grouped and shown by document reference number or name and sequence. You can remove Group By settings by clicking the X button. The approval transactions will be listed in order by approval reference number. By removing filter Current, all of the approval transactions will be shown in the approval list, including the approvals that are rejected and approved. For document reference number, each type of document will start with the unique prefix letter. This table summarizes the document reference number and the meaning of the document. For example, document starting with PR means purchase requisition. Document starting with PO means purchase order, while reimbursement will be shown by the expense report names. If you have any questions, please contact the accounting team. Thank you.